16 anime with insanely dark humor. Number 16, Chainsaw Man, is just as funny as it is gory. Number 15, Inferno Cop, features a flaming skeleton bent on revenge. Number 14, Osomatsu-san, is all about chronic failure. Number 13, Sprays of Blood and World Domination are a major part of Excel Saga. Number 12, Detroit Metal City, depicts violence with no limits. Number 11, Arakawa Under the Bridge, offers a hilarious take on being ostracized. Number 10, Hikigaya's depression is what makes my teen romantic comedy SNAFU so funny. Number 09, Zombies are a ton of fun in Sankarea Undying Love. Number 08, Being a Hikikomori is funny in Welcome to the NHK. Number 07, Kids are held in a campus prison in Prison School. Number 06, Tomoko's schemes to get popular are sad but hilarious in WataMote. Number 05, Hazuka's coolheadedness is literally set in hell. Number 04, Itoshiki's despair is a source of humor in Sayonara Zetsubo Sensei. Number 03, everything from child labor to the Yakuza gets parodied in Hinamatsuri. Number 02, Gintama, makes war seem hilarious. Number 01, Adulthood Sucks in Life Lessons with Uramichi Onisan.